What is up, YouTube? Mr. King coming at you live from the 209. So what we have today are some review questions about photosynthesis. And then what did you do this weekend? Please pause the video now and answer the questions. Next, here's some announcements. So progress reports should have been mailed out by now. If you haven't received them in the mail, you should have soon. And please note that I did make a mistake on the report cards. So teachers always make comments for students. I meant to do an O for like outstanding, for like students that really go above and beyond. But when I looked at the codes after I submitted the grades, it says O actually means does not follow directions. So if you got an O on your progress report, it should have meant outstanding, just so you know. So if you got that, it could be a good thing. I didn't actually put does not follow directions for anyone. It should have been O for outstanding. So, yep. Also, here are the results from the quiz on Friday. The average was a 6.34. So if you got above that, you're above average. I expected students to do a bit better. It seems that most people missed this question, which was not meant to be tricky. It asked, is this photosynthesis equation correct? And it had all the right components, like all the right reactants and products, but it was not balanced. So that's why it was wrong. Today we're finally going to finish our coral investigation and figure out why the coral are dying, why the algae aren't making sugar. And just a reminder, so what you should understand by now is that photosystems 1 and 2 are all about getting ATP and NADPH from light. Chemical energy is ATP. And then the Calvin cycle is the second part of photosynthesis. It's all about making glucose using ATP, NADPH, and then carbon dioxide. So the Calvin cycle uses energy from the photosystems to actually make the glucose. So that's how it works. You should know that already. And then the last thing, you're going to be finishing that worksheet from Thursday. It's right here. It's called the Coral Bleaching Assignment. It's going to be due today. And then when you're done with that, go to period 1 or whichever class you're in. Go to classwork, photosynthesis project. And then here's the assignment for today. You can either work with a partner or alone. And you're basically going to be giving a photosynthesis project or like a lesson if you were a teacher like me. So you're going to be making this presentation as if you were a teacher, and you're going to be explaining what photosynthesis is, what do plants and algae need for photosynthesis, what does photosynthesis make, why is it important to humans, and then write 2 sample test questions for your lesson. So you make sure that like the students that would have gotten your presentation actually like understand it. So that's a sample lesson, and that will be due on Wednesday. We're going to be working on it most of Tuesday. So yep, let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you for staying with me this whole time. Have a great day.